Sydor Optics is uniting with Vertex Optics to deliver enhanced precision optics, allowing them to expand manufacturing capabilities and accelerate the growth of both organizations.
Vertex Optics is specialized in a lot of challenging, difficult projects where Sydor has been around for 65 years. They're a very established, world-class organization, and the two of them coming together enhances everyone's capabilities and allows us to grow and just support the marketplace better.
Not a lot of companies in the spherical world can do what Vertex does. So to take that skill and that knowledge and that know-how and then, bring it over to Sydor, I think we're really excited of what more we can do for our customers.
Sydor has been the global leader in custom precision flat optics, and now with the addition of Vertex, they gain a premier manufacturer of high-precision curved optics.
Vertex is known in the optics industry for taking on incredibly challenging spherical optics. But to have a company that's known for that skill and for the precision and to incorporate that into Sydor Optics just made really, really good sense. So we can continue offering our customers flats, but now spherical and challenging spherical as well.
Both Sydor and Vertex have prioritized delivering the highest quality optics to their customers. It's in their DNA. Now with this partnership, they can both support their clients in new and exciting ways.
Bringing the prototype and the R&D mindset and joining it with a company that's really good at production and has very good quality control and on-time delivery, and helping Vertex enhance that in its spherical and aspheric offerings.
Sydor Optics has done really well because our quality is always paramount, customer service is always paramount, and what we can achieve in flat optics, whether it's production in small sizes or production in large sizes, we've delivered. Now we just have that same mindset with Vertex now helping us.
This collaboration will create future gains for both Sydor and Vertex, as well as existing and potential clients, and will even add to professional opportunities in the Rochester area. But there's already been some immediate advancements as well.
We just bought our first MRF machine, the 300. It's going to enable Vertex to offer more to their customers. It's going to help Sydor Optics on the flat end, for some of the things that we quite couldn't achieve on precision polishing.
You're going to see both companies continue to do what they've always done. I think that's support their communities, both the optics community, academia. Sydor has always helped support the academic program at MCC. We've always been proud to train the next generation of technicians and teach them their livelihood and to grow the community.
Whether it's scaling up into production, to do higher volumes, I think these next 5 years are going to be very exciting.
To learn more about the precision optics available from Sydor and Vertex, go to sydor.com and vertexoptics.com.